Hi guys, so I have a recommend of you all because
Tangin, ang lamig na hayop. Hindi ko naman malamig na po.
it's gonna put in the fridge.
Ba't kasi lahat na lang nilalagay sa rep? Mukhang tanga din.
I don't know in my water. So this is what is this?
Chewy to.
Dulce de leche, yeah.
Masarap talaga ito sa
From my neighbor, my best friend neighbor. No best friend, this neighbor. Neighbor
Ma'am,
told you.
Ay, ito yung puto sa ano, te. Sa lugawang. Kaya gusto ko.
So let's try it now. This, if this taste is yummy. So
Ako videoan mo.
I thicken it. So guys, my sister is gonna try this dulce de leche. So yeah, she's gonna put and puto.
Spread it to the puto.
Spread it and the puto. This is a chewy puto. Ooh, what the shell? What the? Sorry for my sister because
Saba.
she got
Chiga. Siniga.
she got to.
Dito pa isa pa sa.
She got to mind here food. So this is dulce de leche. So this is after. But I'm gonna all of this eat. But I think my kid is gonna
Ubusin mo ito ah.
what?
Ano wala mo?
So guys, I'm gonna try now
Bye.
I'm gonna try this now this dulce de leche. Bukas pa. This dulce de leche. So let's try it right now. So that I think this is so yummy. Yeah. So if you're gonna if you're gonna first time to eat and you're gonna have this, if you're gonna first time to eat, just say the yummy because this is so yummy. This is sweet. So why? So let's try it now because they haven't many people. I think she's gonna beg and
Sibuyas ang puto.
I think she's gonna annoy me right now. So we're gonna try this right now, but please subscribe. So let's go try and this bite. You're gonna first bite right now. This is yummy or not? Say. Okay, I'm gonna try this one.
Kanina ko pa. Patay ma.
This is this is the lecture from my neighbors, and this is so super yummy. No guys. So right now I'm gonna bye to you because I'm gonna pull this. Bye.